Things you didn't know about cabin crew, part 15, let's go! At the beginning of every flight, have you ever heard this on the PA? Cabin crew, please prepare doors for departure and cross-check. What we're doing is arming and disarming the inflatable slides. So why is that even important? Well, if there's an emergency landing and the slide's not activated, how are you gonna get out? And if it's not an emergency and the slide is activated, this happens. If we don't do our jobs, we can seriously injure or kill someone on the other side. Also, it can cost up to $30,000 to replace.